Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create your own app using Lovable AI. Step by step with zero coding required. Whether you got an idea for a productivity tool, a dating app, or something just totally wild, you're gonna love how fast this is. Let's jump in. Alright, step 1 is simple. Go to lovable.dev and create your account. And this is our dashboard page. For here, you can just describe your idea in plain English. You can also import your Figma files here. You need to install a plugin, or you can attach some images. Like, I want to build a meditation app that lets users set timers, track sessions, and get daily tips. Clicking enter. And waiting some time. It gave some text about the project. After 5 minutes, we got this issue. You can just click try to fix. Yes, this is our first version. You can see your meditation timer, for example. Yeah, this is our first version of the app. For authentication and some other functions, we just need to connect our Supabase account. So if we say add some authentication system, it will ask for our Supabase account. So got an app idea but no time to build? At Ecofinova, we turn your idea into a real application using Lovable AI, Bolt, Next.js, and more. You can click the link in the description to start. Of course, this is local preferences, but I think we are going to implement Supabase as well. We have an issue again. Let's say, where is the database? It uses local database, as I see. It uses a mock implementation. So to that, database with Supabase. We need to connect our project to Supabase. You can also click here to see the code. Yes, it's read only. So another question is how to export your code. To export your code, you need to connect it with your GitHub. You can just click and sync your project with GitHub. And after that, you'll be able to export your code base. As I have some limits on Supabase, I cannot connect with Supabase, but this is my connected project. So you just need to say the issues and it will fix. You can still attach some images or click edit button and click where to edit. So for example, how to implement Stripe. To implement Stripe, it will again auto-generate it with Supabase, but you need to add your secrets on here. So you need to go to your project. Of course, it will be connected with your Supabase project. And you need to be able to see your edge functions on here. After that, you will paste your secrets on here. After everything is done, you can just publish your project and start using. So in my example, everything is done. I have some credits, like I did some application, like I did this project using Google Places API. It can pull some contact data from Google Maps. For example, it might take some time and you can see the search results. And that's it. In under 10 minutes, you have gone from idea to working app, all with zero coding, thanks to Lovable AI. If you have been sitting on an app idea but didn't know where to start, Lovable is honestly one of the fastest and easiest ways to get something real in the world. Drop a comment with your app idea. And as always, if you found this video helpful, you can give it a like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.